Hi, my name's Natasha. I'm one of the postdocs on the SO-CHIC project. I'm working on work package 2, which is looking at the upper ocean ventilation pathways, which basically in layman's terms means that we're looking at how the atmosphere and the surface of the ocean is coupled with the deep ocean, and how transports of heat and salt and momentums, which is energy, I suppose, are fluxed, which means passed through from the atmosphere into the deeper ocean, or from the deeper ocean in the other direction. My particular work for this project is using underwater ocean gliders, which are basically like 2-meter long yellow torpedoes, roughly 2 to 3 meters-ish, with wings that go from the surface of the ocean down to 1,000 meters and back up to the surface of the ocean again on a repeat pattern. And we set these patterns up to try and look at things called sub-mesoscale flows. And what a sub-mesoscale is it's just a name, sub-meso, and a scale. So you've got the very large scales, which are around the global ocean, and then you've got the very, very small scales, which is when the energy dissipates into heat. And we sort of do the sub-mesoscale, so we're doing from tens of kilometers to sort of 100 meters, I think, roughly. And then obviously we have the small scales as well, which is another area, which is the turbulence, where that energy is dissipated into heat. And these gliders fly around. They've been around. It's a very exciting mission, because they've been out in the water now for 8 months. It'll be 9 months when we return them to the ship. And I'm going down to sail south in 3 weeks' time. I'm going on a ship called the WP2, which is a South African ship, and I'm going to pick up one of the gliders and drop off a turbulence glider, a specific glider, to measure very, very small structures in the ocean and things that shear, which is cross flows, to be able to look at these dynamics.
Hi, I'm Shenjie. I am a work package 3 postdoc working at British Antarctic Survey, same institute where Natasha is working in. And our work package is mainly focused on the deep ocean ventilation pathway, which stands for the formation of very, very dense water masses, which at the end fills up the abyssal of the global ocean and form this lower limb of the overturning circulation. And I am in particular interested in this decadal change of the formation of the bottom water in the Weddell Sea, which is one of the biggest reservoirs of this dense water because of the presence of these very large ice shelves. And yeah, that's me.
And then we're going to be working together at the end. When I've got the glider results will come back sort of spring next year, and we should have worked them up and calibrated them all and all of that stuff that you need to do with observations by summer. And then Shenjie and I we share an office back in Cambridge, and we're going to be working together to look at how these pathways mix up.
Yes, and that's the idea, to link all the work packages all together.
Yeah.
And I think I have a few months that's probably funded by work package 2, so yeah, I'll definitely look at some of the data that you are interested in.
Yeah, we're really excited for that.
Yeah.
So yeah, thank you very much.